The Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming packs a GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card into your gaming setup, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out: the unbeatable combination of AI capabilities and unparalleled performance that lets you game like never before. Imagine being able to effortlessly juggle multiple tasks at once, without any lag or compromise on gaming quality. This is the reality with the Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming, powered by a 14th Gen Intel Core processor cooled by a Corsair iQ H150i Elite Liquid CPU cooler. But what really makes this system shine is its GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card, which brings game-changing AI capabilities to your gaming experience. With NVIDIA DLSS 4, you can generate images at unprecedented speed and unleash your creativity with NVIDIA Studio. This means that whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who loves creating art in their free time, this system is equipped to deliver. The latest in dynamic CPU architecture ensures that you can game and multitask without any compromise on performance, while the Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 memory boasts 11 individually addressable LEDs to illuminate your PC with spectacular customizable lighting. This isn't just about looks, it's also a major upgrade over traditional RAM. But the real magic happens when you turn on the system-wide RGB lighting, which lets you create synchronized light shows with pre-installed signature lighting profiles, your own custom-created profiles, or integrated lighting that dynamically reacts to the game in real time. It's like having your very own light show, one that's completely under your control and perfectly tailored to your gaming setup. And let's not forget about the powerful Corsair ICUE software, which allows you to monitor your system's performance and instantly sync RGB lighting across all your ICUE-compatible Corsair RGB products. This means that no matter what device you're using, your entire setup will be perfectly in sync with each other, creating an immersive gaming experience like never before. The Vengeance i8200 series is cooled by 7 ICUE RGB fans for concentrated airflow, and equipped with a high-speed M.2 NVIDIA SSD housed in a roomy Corsair 5000T mid-tower ATX case that makes it easy to upgrade or add more storage as needed. In short, the Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming is a gaming powerhouse that lets you do more than just play games. It lets you create your own gaming experiences and push yourself to new heights.